What a light show.
That is crazy. This is not a... Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, wow.
Whoa.
Oh, I can't get over this light show.
Look at this over here. Look at all the light. It's just...
Oh, fuck.
I haven't seen anything like this since I was in Denver. And in Colorado in America where they had this brilliant light show. But this is crazy. This is unheard of in Scotland. Just can't believe it. Look over here. We'd actually think it's a flickering light, but it's not. This is a storm. A massive thunderstorm in Glenrothes, Scotland. And it is just amazing. This is going on my YouTube channel. Silver JJ does Thunderstorm. I just can't believe this. That is so gnarly. Oh, I love it. I think we've never seen lightning like this. We hardly ever get lightning like this. It's just everywhere. It's just so brilliant. Get some sound for you here too.
I'll try and get her on Messenger.
This is brilliant. We've got about 3 minutes of lightning strikes here, just thunder rumbling in the background. Cloud lightning, fork lightning to the, cloud to ground. This is brilliant.
Oops.
We hardly ever get stuff like this in Scotland, it's so unusual. We do get some storms like
Not
once.
like this,
Not
though.
like this, not like this, not like the flashing. This is so much like, it reminds me of 96, when I was 11, I was in Colorado. The first night I went to Boulder.
Let's say, are you seeing the fucking light?